In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Facebook password if you forgot. We'll walk through two simple ways to check the password saved to your Google account. First, from your phone's settings using Google Password Manager, and then from Google Chrome. This only works if the password was previously saved, so you'll need to be signed in to the same Google account where you saved it. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll until you see Google and tap it. Next, choose Manage your Google account. Along the top menu, go to the Security tab. Scroll down to find Password Manager and open it. You'll see a list of sites and apps with saved logins tied to your Google account. Locate Facebook in the list and select it. For your security, your phone will ask you to verify it's really you. Use your screen lock, such as a PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. Once verified, tap the eye icon to reveal the password. Take a moment to confirm it matches the account you use. If needed, you can copy it carefully to paste into Facebook. If Facebook doesn't appear here, it may not have been saved under this Google account or on this device. Now let's do the same from Google Chrome. Open the Chrome browser. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. In Settings, look for Autofill and tap Google Password Manager. Then tap Passwords to view your saved website logins. Scroll or use Search to find Facebook. Tap the information icon next to it. Chrome may prompt you to sign in again to confirm it's your account. Complete that verification. Then tap the eye icon to reveal the password. Here you can also see the username or email that was saved with it, which helps ensure you're signing in to the correct Facebook profile. That's it. With the password visible, return to the Facebook login screen and enter the same username and password to access your account. For safety, avoid showing your screen to others while revealing passwords. Don't share them in messages, and consider updating your Facebook password if you think it may have been exposed. Also, keep your device lock enabled and your Google account recovery info up to date to make future sign-ins smoother. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more clear step-by-step Facebook tips and tutorials.